morning. I am I am studying 1 year diploma course in hotel management and tourism at Karawali Institute of Fire and Safety, an authorized training center by the BSS. Here I am applying for WSC Career Development certification as a front office supervisor. Now I am going to speak about front office supervisor. The front office supervisor oversees front desk operation, manages staffs, handles guest requests, maintains guest requirements, handles guest inquiries, so on. And the front office supervisor maintains the check-ins and check-out of the guest, handles to smooth transaction between the check-in and check-outs, and ensures the guest has a pleasant stay. The main the primary goal is to provide utmost satisfaction to the guest and provide them with all good facilities required by the hotel and as per the hotel rules and regulations. Now I am going to speak about the front office. The front office includes front desk, the concierge, the bell desk. The communication includes the GRE. GRE means the guest relation executive, and communication. Communication means the PBX. PBX means the private branch exchange, which includes the telephone services, which includes throughout the hotel, like the calls can only be made in between the hotels, not any outgoing calls. And the front office operations. The front office operation includes two operations. One is the front house operation and second one is the back house operations. The front office operation includes when the guest arrives, the guest mainly directly greets the front desk people, like they are at the utmost. So when the guest meets the front desk operation, they make the basic facilities like to check in the guest and provide them with the accommodation and to check whether any accommodation is available for the guest or any type of suites or any rooms like the preferred rooms by the guest and to give them their most satisfactions. And two is the back house operation. The back house operation handle guest accounts like dealing with the payments of the account, like the guest payments which includes credit cards or debit cards, or by like how the guest is making the payments through which the guest can settle bills. And when the guest checkouts, the back house operation, like the operators should mainly deal with the guest bills that they should take before when the guest checks out or anything. I am going to show you about the organizational chart of the front office. The front office manager comes first. After that, the front office supervisor. After front office supervisor, there is a reservation. There are reservation staffs who stay in the front desk and makes the reservation, like when the guest calls and makes reservation for a room or anything. And next is the reception. Reception means the front desk. Next is guest service. The guest service includes guest staff, concierge, and the bell staff. The guest staff means when the guest comes into the hotel, the staff should meet the guest and greet the guest or anything. The concierge means like when if the guest has to travel anywhere and needs to know about some places or anything, they should contact the concierge. And the bell staffs are those when the guest enters, they should handle the luggage of the guest and make them like they should escort the guest luggage to the guest rooms. And accounts means when the guest checks in and the guest account should be handled by the accounts people, like whatever the expenses the guest has gone through or anything. Next is the communication. Communication comes through the PBX, like the private banks exchange, which includes the guest call history or anything within the organization. Next is the cashier. The cashier is to maintain all the cash records and deal with all the guest bills and anything. Actually, it's the night auditor. The night auditor has to deal with all the night check-ins and check-out of the guests. Well, thank you.